Today we'll be opening up the OdinLake MAX model A747. And let's see what we have here. In this package, we will find our instructions, gloves, and our screws and tools. So here we have our seat, instructions, screws and tools, gloves, base, armrests, casters, gas lift, bag rack and cover, headrest, and backrest. So first, we'll be attaching our casters to our base. And then we'll be installing the gas lift. Now we'll install our seat on our base. Now we will install the armrests onto the seat. Here's the armrest screw and the screwdriver. Now we will screw in the armrest. Here's the cover. We have right and left. Just place the cover right here like this. Now we install the backrest to the seat. Now we will attach the backrest to the seat. Make sure you screw in the proper order. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we install the bag rack. The bag rack cover. And now we install the headrest. And now you get to enjoy the best seating experience that you can buy.